Hey guys, welcome to an Origin of Energy Bent Row Dip and Lunge workout. So I'm going to take you through a single arm bent over row. Now if you've got a band, these work quite well. If you've got free weights, even better. You can use the towel for the row, seated on the floor for the single arm one. You could also just use a ring or a towel mounted to the door to do a single arm pull like that, which is quite cool. This one here works well when you're standing on the band. So you're having that around there, you're going to hinge forward through the hip and pull. The difference is here I come up when I'm in this position with the arm straight, and I'm going to pull myself in. The reason for doing that is so I can keep more of an even resistance with the band throughout the lift. If I don't do that, I'll find that in this position here it's okay, I'm getting decent loading, but there's no loading whatsoever. So I come up there to keep that band loading the body, and then I'm going to pull myself in to get that nice position. So I'm going to go for 5 at each arm in that, and that'll be pretty quick. I'm going to do that in 30 seconds. Then we're going into a dip. Now if you've only got rings, the ring dip works great. You've got 2 chairs, very cool. Otherwise I've got dip bars, so I'm going to use them. Just getting a nice deep position, getting a good stretch, getting a good lockout, hitting that nice top position. I'm going to add some weight once I've warmed up, and I'll use that same weight for my bent over row. With the weight, with the bent over row, obviously you can stay in that nice bent position, get that nice retraction, get that shoulder blade moving around the rib cage. I'm going to do a multi-directional lunge, just 5 each leg. You could go for 10 each leg. I kind of recommend people go, especially with a movement like this, because it's 5 different angles. Going obviously reps of 5, but 5, 10, even 15 each leg if you want to really go all out. And then I'll take a quick break. But the basic drills are to go forward. Now you may only want to work just the forward ones and just doing those each side, alternating for 30 seconds or even a full minute if you want a more extensive workout. And then I'm going 45 degrees. The trick is on these is to keep the hips square to the front. Then when I come out to the side, hinging the hip, and then here, then I'm going 45 to the back, and then 45 to the other side. Now I hit my legs harder in a different session in the week, so these ones I'm going to be more focused on just getting a bit of a stretch, activating my glutes and legs. It's not such a heavy conditioning response that I'm after from my legs. So I'm going to get the timer going. We've got an 8-minute workout. It's going to be good. Looking forward to this. Warm up. I'm going to go into the weighted version because I've got weights. Yeah, it's going to be 5 nice reps. Get a good stretch on every rep. Into my dips, nice high position. Trying to get that nice turn out of the elbow, just like I would if I was in the rings. It's a lot easier in a stable bar like that. 3, 2, 1, with these. Nice lunge in the front. And if you notice here, you'll be able to see, I am lifting my heel up to get more quad activation. That's something I do just because I do enough with my glutes and the squats and other loading, and I find that it's good to keep that tissue tolerance in the patella tendon and get nice quad loading as well. But if you wanted to get more glute work, then you would let that heel come down. And I'm going fairly slow on those paws and hitting those positions, and I'm taking a rest on it. I'm going to go a bit heavier on that row. And we'll switch the leg over just so it makes it a bit nicer getting that bend. Still going to get that stretch hinging the hip. Keep that position each rep. 5. So fairly fast tempo to get it in. Dip, a little bit of weight. And in. Good. Squeeze through the chest. Hit these lunges. Let's pause and put out the weight to these to make them more challenging. Get some good loading through there. Two. Feels good. Rest. So you want to listen to your body, work with the tissues, work with the body. Not going too hard with these. It's a little bit different from last month. Just letting my body ease into it for this session. And just make sure everything feels good. That's the whole point. Quite flexible, so I'm getting a fairly deep position. So you want to work with your body. You may be up here, and you may just do the double leg one like that. Keep it safer. Got to work with your tissues, nurture your body. 5 and 6. Oops. And stay focused, guys. High position, good stretch in the bottom of the lift, these lunges. These are really simple 8-minute workout. Most things in the body, really good. Rest. If you did want to make it more of an endurance style workout, use the full minute for the lunges and get that heart rate up a bit more. Got one more round. Use the breath, control the heart rate. Spine aligned, core active, all the things I say to myself. Just sharing it. All right. using a timer. I like to pump 8 minutes, 4 rounds, 2-minute rounds, just because it keeps it nice and tight and just makes it measurable. It's very easy when you're training by yourself to get distracted, have longer rest periods, and there's nothing wrong with that. It's just if you don't know how long you've rested, that you lift heavier or you lift less, and you're strong or you're stronger, it's hard to understand why. Because if you stick to the same program, same process, change the variables, keep the same intervals, you know what's going on. Plus it's just nice and tight. Getting it 8 minutes done, everyone's got 8 minutes. And you just get the work done, enjoy the benefits, get on with your life and all the other cool things, and just tick it off. So I hope that makes sense. Hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, any suggestions, anything you want to share with me, let me know, and I'll see you soon.